Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
First, place both clips on the timeline and trim to create at least 3 seconds of overlap. Check the sequence frame rate and set it to 24 FPS to match both clips before you edit. Turn on snapping and enable ripple edit for faster adjustments with 1-second trims. Zoom into the timeline to inspect frames and confirm the overlap point. Create enough handles in each clip to allow smooth transitions without losing footage. Open the effects panel and drag the cross dissolve onto the edit point between the two clips for a smooth blend. Click the transition in the timeline and change the duration to 1.5 seconds in the Effect Controls panel if you need faster timing. For clips with different exposures, try linear wipe or additive dissolve to preserve highlights and motion. Nudge the transition left or right to fine-tune which frames overlap during the blend. Match and trim audio to the visual cut, then add a constant power crossfade between audio clips for a natural sound. Adjust the audio fade to 0.8 seconds so dialogue and ambience blend without pops. Render the sequence with maximum render quality to avoid dropped frames in the final output. Export using H.264 and set a target bitrate of 15 Mbps while matching the source frame rate. Name your file and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.